Hey guys, Coach KIRKSHINTA here. That was a big sigh because I'm actually kind of shocked. So I logged into my back office today and realized that I crossed a major milestone for me in this work from home program. And I've crossed the $30,000 line. That means I made $30,000 within this work from home system. And I wanted to come and talk about this work from home system, how I was able to do that, and how people realistically can position themselves to be able to create the same type of income that I've been able to create for myself. So this program is called $25 One Up. It's a work from home system, an actual business in a box. It's a legitimate home-based business. What I love about this program is that, there's no monthly fee. So when I look at how I was able to do that, first of all, by aligning myself with a work from home program where I don't have any monthly fees, but also positioning myself to earn great commissions from home. I'm talking about commissions of $1,500, $250, and $125 over and over and over again. And one of the best things that I found about this program is that the leverage that's built into it. Okay, so there's been times when I've got bonus commissions for no other reason, but literally being positioned to receive those commissions. For example, my business partners who join me in this program, they go out, their second commission gets passed up, and that happens to everybody in this system, right? So literally the fact that this program allows me to earn bonus commissions is one of the ways that I've been able to make $30,000 with this work from home system. Another thing is that literally I have become a expert of this system, right? I have taken the time. I know the back office. I've learned all the things, the actual products, which is marketing knowledge that is back there, and applied it within my own business, and applied it to actually help me be a better marketer, leveraging this system. So literally I took the product and leveraged it and learned how to apply it. And so I think anybody can do that. Anybody can literally come back here and leverage this product to become a better marketer, and therefore in return make more commissions. Okay. And the leverage has been amazing. I'm just excited for where this is going next. I'm just going to continue to stick with this program as I have been. I've been consistently sticking with this program and showing others the way. So that said, if you're watching this and you're like, and you're in $25 One Up and you need training, message me if you'd like to purchase my training for more information about that. If you're watching this and you're like, hey, I'm interested in $25 One Up, well, cool. Here's how you can get aligned with this program and be able to make $125, $250, $500, $1,000 commissions as I have. What I want you to do is beneath this video, watch the full presentation, enter your best email so I can connect with you. Go ahead and watch the full presentation. If you're ready to get started, starting your own legitimate home-based business where you can get these commissions instantly with no monthly fees, direct to the payment processor that you choose, then go ahead and select your package, okay, and get started, and then message me for your blueprint, and I give you the same exact blueprint, strategies, income producing activities, and I show exactly step by step how I market this on social media so that you can do the exact same, whether you're beginner, intermediate, etc. Right? You can literally copy what I do to be able to create those same results for yourself, leveraging primarily Facebook and YouTube. Okay, so that's it. No secret sauce. Remember that to partner with me, you have to position yourself at platinum or higher. Again, most people partner with me at diamond, but platinum or higher get you access to my team tribe. I have some amazing bonuses and tons of success stories across my channel from my students who leverage my training systems to be able to learn social media the right way, many of them for the first time online. So I'm excited for you to be the next success story. Smash the subscribe button, and thank you for allowing me to share this milestone with you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my friends.